When it comes to exploring the great unknown, there's no better companion than a Chevy Trailblazer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of grit, determination, and all-American toughness. In this video, I'm going to showcase my new vehicle, a gently used Trailblazer that's ready to write its next chapter. Built for adventure, this SUV boasts dependable power, a roomy interior, and the rugged good looks you'd expect from a Chevy. Whether it's winding mountain roads or the open highway, the Trailblazer is always up for the challenge. So saddle up and take a closer look. Because this isn't just another SUV, it's a Trailblazer. Because out here, reliability isn't optional, it's essential.